In this video, I'll show you how to add audio and video markers in Descript, an essential feature for streamlining your editing process and making it easier to navigate your project. If you're new to Descript, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how to effectively use markers to enhance your editing workflow. And the best part? You can try Descript for free with an exclusive extended trial link below. Let's dive right into adding markers. In Descript, markers are incredibly useful for pinpointing important moments in both audio and video tracks. They let you quickly jump to specific points in your project, whether it's a key section of dialogue, an error you want to fix, or a place where you want to add an effect. Markers can also be a game changer if you're collaborating with a team and want to highlight things for others to review. To add a marker, simply play through your project and pause at the point where you want to place it. Then you can use the shortcut M on your keyboard or right-click on the timeline and select Add Marker from the context menu. It's that easy. Once you've added your marker, you can even give it a custom name, making it easier to identify later. For example, you could name a marker something like Add B-roll here or Fix audio distortion. One of the cool features of Descript's markers is the ability to color code them. This is really helpful if you have multiple markers throughout your timeline and need a visual cue to quickly locate certain points. Just right-click on a marker and choose your color. You can also delete or move markers around by simply dragging them, which is perfect for adjusting your timeline as you go along. When it comes to navigating through your project, these markers become indispensable. You can use the arrow keys to quickly jump between markers, so you're never scrolling aimlessly through your project. This makes editing so much faster and more efficient, especially for long videos or podcasts where you need to find specific moments quickly. As you add markers, you can also sync them with your transcription in Descript. This feature ensures that your markers line up with the exact words being spoken or moments in your video, which is perfect if you're working with scripted content or need precise syncing. Just click on the marker and add a note to indicate what you need to do at that point in the audio or video. By now, you should see how markers are an essential tool in Descript that will save you tons of time in your editing process. Whether you're marking key moments for later, syncing audio with video, or just organizing your project, markers will keep you on track. Remember, you can get started with Descript for free using the link in the description, and that includes an extended trial with some extra bonuses, so you can explore all its features without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide on adding audio and video markers in Descript was helpful. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial offer below.